Hello, everybody. Welcome to Business 105 Intro to Business. I'm Helen Panza, your instructor for the next 8 weeks. We learn in a lot of different ways here at Bryan University. For this course, there will be learn-its that you must accomplish every week, where you'll learn new terminology and facts about business. You have your book available to you where you'll be reading case studies and scenarios in the business world. Additionally, we will have live meetings every other week beginning this Wednesday, the 26th. Is that right? Yes, it is. At 6 a.m. or 5 p.m. Pacific time. Come to one of the sessions because they are both the same. If you happen to miss them both, yes, it would make me sad, but I will also give you a way to make up the points. There are 4 live sessions for this course. They're every other week, beginning on Wednesday, the 26th. I hope to see you all there. We also have Yellow Dig available for us. We'll be using Yellow Dig to explore different topics in business that aren't covered in your book or in your Learn-Its. It's also a way to build community and to encourage each other through the course. You will likely be with each other for the next 3 classes. So get to know each other. Provide that encouragement that everybody needs during a course. Now, one way to be successful is to plan your schedule. Make time each week. When are you going to do your Learn-Its? When will you work on assignments? There are a few of those in this course as well. They take a little bit of time, but they're kind of interesting. So plan your week so that you can work on assignments, work on Learn-Its, and post in Yellow Dig at least 2 or 3 times a week. Create new posts, comment on your fellow students' posts, and give them a thumbs up or 2. That's how you're going to get all your points in Yellow Dig. I will see you during our first live session on Wednesday, and I wish you a great start to your Business 105 course.